at Hausermann's because since I got Plant of the Month, I have a $10 gift certificate from the iOS. And I have been thinking about this spotted Phalaenopsis ever since the last time I was here at Hausermann's. And of course, they posted a picture of it on their website. Well, not their website, on their Facebook page. And then of course I thought, hey, I'd really like one. And of course every time that picture came on my feed, I thought again, I'd really like it even more. So it is exactly the cost of my gift certificate. The one that we saw first is $9.99, and if I don't like it, there are several other options right here. But this is one of the great things about living so close to Hausermann. Oh, here's another one. Look at that. Oh, that one's missing a petal. A lot of choice. And I have a gift certificate burning through my pocket. And I'm going to spend it today. So interestingly, the other plants of this that I found so far are $13.99, and this one is $9.99. So this one has 2 spikes as well. So I am totally taking this one home because it's awesome. It's got a cracked leaf, but really that doesn't matter to me. I know it'll grow out. And if you like Phalaenopsis, Hausermann's has so many different kinds now. Here's another bench full of Phalaenopsis. They have harlequins and stripes, all kinds. I know that they used to be known for their cattleyas and their corsages, but you know, really there's just so many different kinds of Phalaenopsis here now. It's really worth coming here and picking out one in person. And there's even mini phals. Look at this little display of mini phals. If you like angraecums, it is currently angraecum blooming season at Hausermann's. This is Eburnum. You can see it's pretty tall. There's my little phal right in front of it. And just loads of these guys are in bloom right now. You can see all the way down the row, all the Eburnums in bloom. And of course, if you like Rhynchostylis gigantea, it is also the season for them to bloom. We've got albas. Makes me really wonder if I should toss the one that I have at home that's not doing well. Try one of these. Here's a red one. Here is a spotted one. Be hard to choose if I decide to dump it. I tried very hard to get mine to bloom, but I suspect I'd only get one blooming out of these guys because I think my house is just too cold and not wet enough. And of course, you can always find just weird little offshoots. This is listed as an alba. White form. But if you look at the flowers on this, unlike the one right in front of it, it is clearly not an alba. So I'm not getting just one plant. I was walking the rows and I came across these little Dendrobium aberrans. This is one of the parents of Dendrobium microchip, and you can see the flower right there. Very cute. And so I've wanted aberrans, and I think I'll be picking up one of these too. This other one right here is in bud. Hopefully if it makes it home. It's about just above freezing, about 37 degrees outside right now. hopefully this one will bloom for me.